Dhwani Sejpal. I'm the VP of Treasury Transformations in Finesse, and I've been working here for 8.5 years. I'm a chartered accountant by profession.
Hi, likewise. I'm also a chartered accountant by profession. My name is Poonam Rao. I've been working with Finesse for the last 6 years and currently as Senior Functional Implementation Consultant for Treasury.
You must be wondering why two chartered accountants are in one frame. Trust me, we are not going to bore you. And no brownie points for guessing that we are going to talk to people who's got the money.
And who do you think that is? The Treasury team, right? So all your CFOs and people working from the Treasury teams, the Treasury heads, finance people, you're out to us.
Considering the current market, considering how constantly evolving it has become increasingly difficult for treasurers to manage their treasury. In fact, traditional approaches that we used to work on a daily basis as chartered accountants, it doesn't seem that they are going to be able to keep complete control on their visibility using the traditional approach.
When we talk about this, Dhwani, do you remember the times when we were doing our CA practice?
Yeah.
And those innumerable instances of trying to match the balances account by account, and then again going back and matching it to the bank portals.
Yeah.
And we would really have to pull our hair out doing that.
Exactly.
Right?
And if you remember, like there's a running joke in the CA fraternity. We always say that we consolidated, let's say 10, 15 Excel sheets, and we made a master sheet, which is our final version. And then there's some change, and then it becomes final. And then there's one more change, and it becomes final version 1 and version 2, and it keeps going on.
And especially in this world, when we are talking about AI and so many automations around, we need something that is going to give a quick solution on the tip of their fingers at one glance to the existing CFOs of the world and to the existing people who are handling treasury in the world.
Exactly. And that is where Kyriba comes into picture. Let me first explain to you what Kyriba really is. It's a treasury management solution. It's a cloud solution, basically. And you could say that it is like a one-stop shop for your treasury needs. Let's say, for example, for a CFO, considering the money lying in different bank accounts in different regions, how difficult it is for him to track or make any smart decision because he does not have complete visibility or even real-time visibility on the cash position. Let's say, for example, Poonam, I ask you that, can you tell me how much I won't ask you, but can you tell me how much money is lying in your bank account?
Simple, Dhwani. I just have to log into one of the portals and just check my 1 or 2 bank accounts.
Yes, so individually, we could have 1 or 2 bank accounts, which we will log in using the mobile app, and we'll be able to tell the amount. But asking that same question to a CFO, where again, the money is lying into different accounts, there are different relationship managers in different time zones. And then for him to get real-time balances is going to be an absolute disaster. So here in Kyriba, we are going to consolidate all the MT940s and MT942s, which in other words, we could say end-of-day statements and intraday statements, in order to give you a complete position of your balances lying in each of these accounts.
Right. And to add to what Dhwani said, what is the cherry on the cake that Kyriba gets you? Right now, whether you are in your treasury team, you must be logging into multiple portals just to approve your payments and get respective approvals as per the banking mandates. Now, how about we tell you that here is a system we offer wherein you just log in into our Kyriba portal. Kyriba takes care of all your bank portal logins, and it's going to provide you a one-stop solution for all your payment requirements. So all that you do is log into one Kyriba portal, get all your approvers, approve the payments there. So it's a one-stop solution wherein the payment coming from the ERP reaches directly the bank through just this one portal. And that's how easy it makes your life.
Sounds easy, right? But what we need to really add in this is that we are not only connecting to your banks, but we are also connecting to any third party. And so now the question would be, why Finesse? Finesse as a whole has implemented around 75 global implementations for Kyriba. We are one of the most promising partners that Kyriba have in the region. We have a group of around 11 to 12 consultants who are certified from Kyriba themselves. And these guys have not only implementation experience in EMEA, but even in APAC, in Latin America, and even the other parts of Europe.
As Dhwani said, that we are so profoundly working in this region, what is an added advantage when you partner with Finesse when it comes to Kyriba is with this kind of experience in implementations, we have connected with multiple banks multiple times, and that's where the usual delays come in, right? It's when third parties like banks are involved in the implementations. So why Finesse? Because Finesse already has that rapport and connectivity with banks, and that's wherein we help you to bring down your timelines and meet your deadlines and complete the project on time.
Exactly. And the same is the situation with the ERPs as well. We have been successful in implementing with all the major players that are there in the market, right from Oracle to D365 to SAP. Not only that, in the past, we have also implemented and gone live with homegrown, smaller ERPs, which are only made specifically for customer needs.
To add to Dhwani, what else is that you should think about when you partner with us when it comes to TMS implementations? At Finesse, all us Finnessians are driven by our passion to always see happiness and satisfaction in the eyes of our customers. So a happy customer is a happy Finesse implementation team as well. So we look forward to seeing you through and through across in the coming years.
All right, thank you. Thanks for taking the time out to hear us talk about treasury and how you can transform that journey.
Cheers.